I'm Yang Guocheng. This is a journal paper with Su Yu and me. The title of this paper is Integers with a given number of divisors. For any positive integer n, let n is equal to this be the prime factor relation of n with this. A positive integer n is said to be ordinary if the smallest positive integer with exactly n divisors is this one, where pk is the case prime. Let O be the set of all ordinary integers. In 1968, Gross proved that 16p does not belong to O for any order prime p. In 2006, Bloom proved that a prime power pk does not belong to O if and only if 2 to the power p less than or equal to pk. All square-free integers are ordinary. The set of all ordinary integers has asymptotic density 1. Let T be the set of all integers of this form, where ky are primes with this, and ky more than or equal to 9 times log s to the power 2 for all I less than square root of s. In this paper, we prove that T is a subset of O, and we have this estimate. We also determine all ordinary integers which are not divisible by any fifth power of a prime